कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
O Menteri Sarkar Jala Bapet Yakatnat Public Health Engineering O Marquis Marak Ula Pentip Bakadan Kendiat Kajing Ha Kajing Trey Yaka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Jongka Face Kabalai Yaka Badang Don Kamban Penbet Habaya keren bat gilat patai kubor O Marquis Marak Ulayatu ba kilayok pediang Yaka Clearance Nagatanat PWD Nagatanat Forest Kumjuru Naga Cantonment Board Henry kadon kajing Kendiat bat ka Hima Mawphlang Wala kataru kadang don hapadeng kajing ya penbet ban weng no ya kata kajing
The work is still ongoing. There are some issues still pending, needs to be resolved. Some of the problems, as I have already talked to you before, some of the issues have already been resolved. Like, some clearance needs to be done from PWD department that we receive from the PWD department and from forest also and from cantonment board also. But then still some of the problems which is lying with the Hima Mawphlang, it's still there. So we are still on the process of negotiations. So hope we will get it done soon. Burn up contention in the sense, they have several issues. They need some employment. So government has agreed, cabinet has already passed this, and then Chief Engineer has already issued a letter there for the cabinet discussion. And we are just awaiting their applications now. They have to submit the list of candidates whom they want to give government jobs. So department is ready. So once we receive, we will give the appointments. Yes, we have gone for the revised estimate. I'm not remembering the exact amount, but I have done the revision during my tenure. So it is already revised, that is true. It's almost, it started from 2008. So it's quite a long time. So many reasons I have told you, that number one is Hima Mawphlang issues. They need to provide a lane for the second pumping set. The second pumping set will push the water to treatment plant. So that space which we need, Hima Mawphlang has to give that. No, there were several issues. Not only that issue with Hima Mawphlang, there were issues with PWD. There are several crossings in the PWD roads. For that matter, we need to get the clearance from the PWD department. Now we got that. See, every time we started negotiations with different stakeholders, different new issues come up, and which is why it's delaying. Till now also. In almost all the zones, there are I think 12 or 10 zones. So those zones have started, some of the zones have completed, some are ongoing. Because of the delaying of the work, they have requested for the last time revised estimates, which we have agreed. And then now some of the works are completed. Only the pumping set has to be installed, and then once it is installed, it will be completed. Going on, it's still going on. You can see the work going on there. 2-3 hectares. Not much.
But don't you think?
I'm also wondering, I'm also trying my level base. Our engineers are trying level base, but they keep on increasing the demands. So what can we do? We don't have any options. So land is with them. We don't have any options, but we are still negotiating.